Hello, this is Vikram Borua. Welcome to the course Learn Assamese Level 1. Before we start the course, let me talk about hobda.org. Hobda.org is an NGO registered in Assam, and we have been developing this online Assamese to English dictionary since 2006. And apart from including Assamese, we have a number of languages of the Northeast like Boro, Khasi, Dimasa, Missing, etc. And it is a collaborative effort of more than 2,000 people from all across the globe. Apart from developing this online dictionary, we are working on a number of projects, including developing some AI-based tool like speech synthesizer, spell checker, and so on. One of the projects that we have undertaken is to teach Assamese to different people or develop courses to teach Assamese. So this is part of that initiative, and this is the level 1 of teaching Assamese course. So before we dive into the course, let us discuss about why we need to learn Assamese. Assamese is a language spoken by around 15 million people, primarily in the state of Assam in India. And it is a economic and cultural significant language of this region. So if you want to communicate with the people of Assam, and if you want to understand the cultural or the performing art culture of the province, then better you learn the language. So if we see the structure of this course, we have developed this course in such a way that people who are interested in learning only the speaking part of the language, they can focus only the first part of the course, that is the Assamese speaking part. Then the second part focus on reading and writing. So if you are also interested in reading and writing the language, then you can focus on the second part. So we have got 20 modules in this level 1, and each module will consist of these two parts. One is the speaking part, another is the writing part. And within the speaking part, we'll have several sections, like, first section will cover general knowledge. So we want to give some general knowledge of the province of Assam, about its economics, about its people, about its culture, about its language, and so on. And in the second part, we'll cover some grammatical aspect of the language. We'll teach some grammatical theory or rules of the language. And in the third part, we will apply those grammatical rules in a form of a conversation, and we will try to practice those as we learn how to speak the language. Then in the next section will be the vocabulary section. In this vocabulary section, we will have vocabulary pertaining to that conversation or the grammar that we have learned. And finally, we'll have the exercise. In the exercise, we'll have some assessment or exercises that you can go through so that you can practice what you have learned. In the second section of the course, we will have the reading and writing. First, we will introduce you to some part of the alphabet. And we have developed a nice process or approach of teaching the letters in the form of similar shapes. So we learn those similar shape alphabets, as well as in the second part, we'll learn some vocabulary. Again, we'll learn some vocabulary, and finally, we'll do some exercise. So throughout this course of 20 modules, actually 40, 20 for speaking, 20 for reading and writing. So total 20 modules will be there in this course. Will be covered over 20 weeks. Each week will cover two modules. One is for the speaking, who is interested, they can only focus on that part. And another is reading and writing. They can focus on the reading and writing part. Or if you're interested, you can learn both. So anyway, uh, I request you to dedicate yourself for these 20 weeks so that you can um, do this journey without any break. And we can learn the language as soon as we can. So throughout these modules, we'll be using a particular phonetic scheme to represent the Assamese alphabet, Assamese words in Roman script, so that even if you don't know how to read and write, you can read them in Roman script. So you can see this list. Some group of Assamese alphabets which has got similar sound will be represented by a single alphabet by Roman script, and vice versa. Sometimes a group of Roman script will be represented by a single Assamese alphabet. And pronunciations are also given in this website. You can visit there, and there's sound files. You can go through this sound file, and those sound files will give you how they are pronounced. Maybe I will cover in another video and discuss more about this particular protocol of representing Assamese word in Roman script. Then we have some useful resources, some websites, some apps, some keyword, and phonetics. And particularly the first one is our website, hobdo.org. You can go there, you can search the word that we have learned in this website. Then this app, all this app use our database to show Assamese to English, conversion. And these keywords are used to help you type in mobile phone, or as well as in desktop Assamese alphabets. And if you cannot see Assamese alphabets for some reason in your machine, you can download the particular font from this font websites. So for the reading and writing section, the Assamese alphabets, let us discuss a little bit about the alphabet that we call Bornomala. It has got 4 sections, the 10 numerals, as you can see here, 0 to 9. Then we have got 11 vowels and 10 vowel signs, followed by total 39 consonant. One section is called, Borgio Varna, that is the green section. Then the Antastha Varna, this is the purple section. There are 2 groups of consonant. We'll learn all those things. I request you to make a printout of this chart of the alphabet so that you can mark them as you learn them. So in each of this block of this chart, you can see first letter is represented. The first letter is the Assamese alphabet. Then I have put the corresponding Hindi or the Devanagari alphabet, then followed by the sound in Roman script. So this is the template that I'm using for this chart. You can go through them so that you can learn this alphabet. With this, let us start our journey of learning Assamese with a great dedication. Thank you. Welcome to the course.